Hello guys, long time no make the video. Hello, this is our new model HR12 with the camera. It's the HR Pro version. Here, you can see front panel with a camera and the indoor part with a screen. This one is support for the 68 multis. So here can with a dashboard for the multis, dashboard switch. Basically, the device with the fingerprint unlock.
Unlocked.
By card unlock.
Locked.
Card unlock.
Unlocked.
And by the password.
Locked. Unlocked.
And here by two pieces of key, okay? Two pieces of key, this kind of key is from the under here. And with the USB emergency port in here and here. Okay, here is the key position and the USB port for emergency unlock. The device is supportable with 8 pieces. AA alkaline battery, 8 pieces. So someone will worry about the backup of the power supply. No worry, it's usually it can support half year, something like this. Because this is not automatic, so the backup for the battery for use can be last more long time like this. And with this, is support with the Tuya smart Wi-Fi connection. So one rings the doorbell. Okay.
Requesting remote unlocking.
Okay, rings the doorbell. So wait some seconds. Here can receive. Okay, so we can check. Here, okay, we can refresh, okay. Yeah, picture, and can unlock the device.
Unlocked.
Okay, so and we can set the temporary password, the randomly or the setting by yourself the temporary passcode from the device. And for the device, is more features you can set by yourself from the application page. So the most important is the cost. It's very economical, but it's with full functions. So hope you guys can like and to introduce for your market.